In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WordPress permalink structure to the month and name format. Adjusting your permalink settings can be a simple yet effective way to enhance the organization and readability of your website's URLs. Let's dive into the process so you can achieve this seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where all your site's magic happens, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a column of menu options there, and among them, you'll find Settings. Hover over or click on Settings, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Permalinks. Now, you should be on the Permalink settings page. Here, WordPress presents several common structures for organizing your permalinks, which are essentially the URLs used for the posts and pages on your site. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Month and Name. This option structures your URLs in a format that begins with the year and the month, followed by the post's name, such as https://yourdomain.com/2025/09/sample-post/. It's a preferred choice by many who wish to keep a chronological context in their URLs, making it easier for both users and search engines to comprehend when a post was published. All you need to do is click the radio button located next to the Month and Name option. This will select it as your permalink structure. Doing so immediately updates the preview of your permalink settings to show you exactly how your URLs will appear with the new format. Once you're satisfied with your choice, it's crucial to remember the next step: saving your changes. This part is easy to overlook, but it's vital. Scroll down to the very bottom of the permalink settings page. There you'll find a button that says Save Changes. Click this button to ensure that your new permalink structure is applied site-wide. This confirms to WordPress that you're ready to make these changes live, and your site will be updated accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your WordPress permalink structure to the month and name format. By making this change, you're not only organizing your links in a more chronological manner, but also potentially boosting your site's SEO by providing clearer pathways for visitors to navigate through your content. Remember, permalinks are crucial for both user experience and search engine indexing, so choosing a structure that reflects the nature of your content is always a smart move. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.